wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alfiani Saifullah. Today I present the result of the World Cup qualifiers match between Indonesia and Bahrain, which take place in March 2025 at Gelora Bung Karno in Stadium Jakarta. Indonesia plays very well in front of the home fans. The stadium is full of supporters who give loud cheers. Bahrain plays with discipline, but Indonesia shows strong teamwork. In the first half, both teams attack and defend strongly. Indonesia creates some good chances. At minute 35, Indonesia scored a goal through a powerful shot. The crowd celebrates with great joy. The second half, Bahrain tries to equalize the score. Indonesia defense stays solid and organized. The crowd celebrates with great joy. The second half, Bahrain tries to equalize the score. Indonesia defense stays solid and organized. The goalkeeper made some important saves. The players keep their focus until the final whistle. The match ends with the score Indonesia 1, Bahrain 0. The victory gives Indonesia 3 important points and keep its dream to reach the next stage. The supporters are very happy and proud of the team. The result showed that Indonesia plays with precision and teamwork. The victory gives motivation for the next match. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to show my respect to our honorable lecturer, Mr. Rina, and to all my classmates. My name is Alfiani Saifullah from class 63 1C28. Today, I will present about simple present tense. English is an essential international language for international relations and cooperation. Its mastery is vital for communication, insight, and national progress. Learning methods include reading, listening to song or radio, and watching film. Showing activities that become a habit, stating and denying about truth facts, stating apologies, making promises, and giving warnings. Usage and functions of the simple present tense, giving instructions, expressing habits and facts, describing sequential action. Type of the simple present tense. Tenses and example. 1. Nominal sentence. Sentence where the predicate is not a verb does not state an action, but rather states a status, quality, or place. This sentence must. Simple present tense formula. Nominal sentence. Positive sentence formula. Subject plus to be is am, are plus ani. Adjective, noun, or adverb. Subject plus to be is am, are plus an adjective, noun, or adverb. Example adjective: the coffee is hot. We are tired. He is brave. Example noun: they are drugstore. I am the manager. Jakarta is the capital city. Example adverbs: you are outside. The meeting is tomorrow. She is here now. Negative sentence formula. Subject plus to be is am, are plus not plus adjective, noun, or adverb. Example adjective: the problem is not serious. They are not happy. I am not jealous. Example noun: we are not enemies. That is not a true story. She is not my sister. Example adverb: my flat is not yet. It is not close to the market. Interrogative sentence formula to be is are plus subject plus adjective, noun, or adverb. Example adjective: is the water cold? Are you ready? Is his car red? Example noun: are they cast jeans? Am I wrong? Is she a lawyer? Example adverb: is the movie exciting? Are we late? Is the book ended? Type of the simple present tense and example. The verbal sentence. A verbal sentence is a sentence whose predicate must be a verb, stating an action and is used to express a habit, event, or repeated action. Simple present tense formula. Verbal sentence. 1. Positive sentence. Formula: subject plus verb 1 plus object. Use verb 1 or verb 1 plus s. Example: I read a book every night. You play football well. We drink coffee in the morning. Simple present tense formula. Verbal sentence. 2. Negative sentence. Subject plus do or does not plus verb plus object. Example: I do not like spicy food. You do not listen to the radio. You do not agree with that. Simple present tense formula. Verbal sentence. 3. Interrogative sentence. Do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. Example: do you remember me? Does he go to the gym? Does it rain often here? Application rules for third person singular verb. Rules for adding s or es suffix. This rule only applies to positive sentence with the subject he, she, it. General rule s. For most verbs, simply add the suffix. Example: work, so works. Write, so write. Speak, so speaks. Verb with special ending is verb ending in ca or sx must have the is suffix added. Example: face or faces. Finish, so finishes. Handling y endings and modal verb consents. The y suffix and modal exemption. Preceded by consonants if the verb ends in yn is preceded by a consonant. Change y to I then add is. Example: study, so studies. Cry, so cries. Preceded by vowel. If the verb ends in yn is preceded by a vowel only, the s suffix is added. Example: play, so plays. Say, so says. Handling y endings and modal verb constraints. The y suffix and modal exemption. Modal auxiliary exemption if the verb is preceded by a modal auxiliary verb like will, can, must. The s or es suffix is not added regardless of the subject. Example: he will work. He will works. Indicator of routine. Time adverb. This time adverb indicates the frequency or repeated habits that characterize the simple present tense. 1. Recurring time adverb every. Used to show actions that occur at the same time intervals. Example: every day, every morning, every minute. Indicator of routine. Time adverb. This time adverb indicates the frequency or repeated habits that characterize the simple present tense. 1. Adverb of frequency. This word indicates how often an action is performed. Example: always, usually, often, seldom, sometimes. Conclusion. The simple present tense is used to describe current activities or habitual actions. It is divided into two types: nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Nominal sentence do not use action verb as their predicate, but instead used to be, is, and are to state a name, status, trait, condition, or place. The formula is subject plus to be plus adjective or noun or adverb. Verbal sentence use an action verb 1 or PCS as their predicate to state a habitual event. The formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. The key takeaway is that you use either a verb 1 or to be but not both in the simple present tense sentence. For example, I play football used a verb while I am a student used to be. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.